Is this thing on? The cat rubbed up against the tripod. Okay, take two. With a little ingenuity, i.e. the twist. You quit rubbing up the cat. The cat is rubbing up against the tripod again. Take. Hey, it's Dawn from Wait a second. Put more of me in the shot. There we go. So I can show you eight. A dirty flip cup pour with and I'm going to show you an 8-color tree ring pour. Hey. And no, these aren't my painting clothes. I just got home from my day job as a mild-mannered receptionist. And I wanted to show you a video I did yesterday of an 8-color the blonde took well last. To start off your weekend, I have an 8-color and today I'm going to show you, what am I showing you today? Oh, right. It's got several different techniques. It's got, what has it got? Hi there, it's Dawn here from, where am I from? And I just want to do this well, poo! I have for you an 8-color tree ring pour for you today that I shot yesterday. So I just wanted to make this intro so that you would know what the hell you're gonna see. Yeah. Why am I talking so quietly? Because I'm hiding out in my studio. There's housework to be done. Who wants to do that? Ugh. Hey, I have an 8-color tree ring pour to show you. That's all I want to say, okay? Yeah, these are not my painting clothes. These are my and go to work and get paid clothes. So, yeah. It's got a dirty flip cup pour. A dirty pour, but it's good. And today I'm going to make a valiant attempt at a sea swipe. Not a sea swipe, a seascape. Suffering succotash. I feel like doing that. So let's go do a generally use the treadmill. Blah, 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 blah. And then I did 2 more. It's Dawn from Indigo Bohemian Art Studio. And today I'm going to show you a stink. A stink? I'm going to show you a stink.